Eto na daw yung pinakamura at pinakamagandang sunscreen ngayong 2024. Wow, that is a big claim. So here is my honest review. This is the Hikari Skin Essentials Ultra White Sunscreen. It contains SPF 50, PA++++. This one is SPF tested. Tapos broad spectrum din siya, so protected tayo from UVA and UVB rays ng sun. It also claims to be non-comedogenic, wow, lightweight and fast-absorbing, and it gives radiant finish. It also says here that it is a gel cream, and indeed guys, it has a gel cream consistency. Now using the two-finger method, let's try the product on my face para magkaalaman na tayo. In fairness, madali lang i-blend yung product, and it's true na gel cream nga yung consistency or yung texture niya. Once na i-apply mo siya sa skin mo, you can definitely feel it. I love that this sunscreen is also moisturizing. Ramdam ko na na-hydrate niya agad yung skin ko. Upon application, the product is really easy to blend. As you can see, walang kahirap-hirap at hindi rin siya nagpipil.
So may nagtatanong, hi, ano pong type ng collagen ang nasa Fresh's Avocado Milk? Fresh's Avocado Collagen Drink contains hydrolyzed marine collagen. Ito yung type ng collagen na nakukuha galing sa balat ng isda. Mayaman ito sa type 1 collagen na nagbibigay ng structure to our skin, bones, tendons, and ligaments. Sinusuportahan nito ang skin elasticity, skin hydration, at pinapalakas din ito ang ating mga buto. Bukod sa type 1 collagen, mayaman din ito sa type 2 collagen na tumutulong ma-maintain ang ating flexibility at joint health. So yun lang mga ka-friend.
I told this to you before na if you're gonna use bleaching soap or any type of bleaching cream, bleaching soap you have, please, wag kayong magbabad sa araw kasi yan yung pinakakalaban natin kasi mas irritable yung skin natin sa sun. So, make sure talaga na iwasan yung magbilad sa araw. Ako personally, pag nabibilad ako sa araw, grabe sobrang hapde sa balat. Nga, I use a lot of bleaching products like itong soap na to, bleaching cream also. Kaya iniiwasan ko talaga kasi alam kong iitim ako. She's talking about the White Blast soap. Yes, nakakaputi naman talaga to with consistent use. Just know how to use it properly. But don't depend lang dito sa soap na to. You have to help yourself or use moisturizing lotions or kahit mga ibang products pa na with whitening, basta lotions, yung mga pinapahid pa natin. This can't work alone, girl. I'm telling you. Kaya nagtitake pa din ako ng aking capsules. This one is Biggie. At yung tinitake ko every single day for 2 years. Like as in, hindi na yata complete yung day ko kapag hindi ko naiinom yung capsules ko. And I'm taking this 2 capsules a day. Girl, S-acetyl glutathione is the best glutathione na mabilis mag-absorb talaga. Proven and tested, girl.